I just found this candy store right here and it said I can go in and get whatever I want for free. Oh my gosh, I just got in the store. I'm so excited to eat. And it literally smells like candy. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is insane. There's candy everywhere. There's literally so many things. I don't even know where I'm gonna start or what I'm gonna get. I have to decide. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They even have yogurt covered Oreos and chocolate double stuffed Oreos. I'm gonna get my bag. I'm so excited. I think the first thing I'm gonna get is supposed to be sour. I literally love sour candy so much, especially Sour Patch Kids. And these are the best. Which flavors should I get? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different flavors. Whoa, how am I gonna decide? If you guys could get one of these, comment and tell me which one you would get. I think I might go with pink lemonade because I really like that flavor. Here's all the flavors when you make your comment. Pink lemonade, green apple, sour raspberry, mini sour puff, I guess that's just rainbow, strawberry, more strawberry, all 4 flavors, cherry, cotton candy, and berry blue. And last but not least, strawberry banana. I might just have to get one of each. I'll start with this one. This is so good. Pink one,
Owen.
What did he do?
He's got a lot of stuff in his bag.
My brother's over there filling up a huge bag of stuff.
What'd you get?
This.
Wow.
Probably gonna get this one next. It looks pretty good. Next I'm gonna get the green apple because I love anything green apple flavored, especially when it's sour.
Are you sure you don't want to try a strawberry banana? It looks so good.
I might try one of those. Okay, I'll try one. Woohoo! And then I'm gonna go over there and look at all the other candy. Strawberry banana. These ones are so colorful. They're so cute. Perfect. Now half my bag is practically just filled with these sour things because I love sour candy so much. And I'm also gonna get Sour Patch watermelons and Sour Patch Kids. So come on. But first I have to get the Sour Patch watermelon kind. Here it is. Perfect. Oh my gosh, these are literally so good. I think I'll get some candy corn. There's so many chocolate things too. They all look so good. I cannot decide which one to get. I might get this one though, so it looks pretty good. They literally have so many awesome candies here, but my personal favorite ever are these. They are so good.
Oh, I like that.
Zach and Chris are about to fill these huge tubes with this super good sour stuff. Oh my gosh. I'm still trying to decide what else I might get. There's so many good choices. I can't even decide. They're all so good. Tell me in the comments your top 5 favorite candies because I'd like to know what your favorites are. We're going to try these super sour candies. I'm excited. We're going to try them. They're called Dots. I got the apple flavor.
So
I've never really heard of
the
these before.
employee gets to be, we'll be mad at him for making us try it if they're not good. And the Zots challenge starts right now.
Ready, set, go. It's good.
You like it?
Yeah,
How sour?
not too sour.
Not too sour.
Not really.
Oh, is this the fizzy one? Oh, this is not a sour candy. It's like a bath bomb in your mouth candy. Who wants to show me their tongue? Okay. Okay, I think it's gonna get more exciting. David just bit his open.
Whoa.
I knew it was gonna get more exciting. Show me your mouth. I can see it bubbling up.
A candy.
I can say some of it is like fizzy.
Meanwhile, there's Owen with his pink cheeks. We're now going to do a sour challenge. What are you trying? Michael's not doing
You
it.
guys should do it with us.
What are you doing?
I'm doing watermelon warhead.
David, what do you have?
Blue raspberry.
Warhead?
No, toxic waste.
Toxic waste for David. Okay, Matt's gonna do toxic waste. Are you already trying it? Good? What?
I'm gonna do the challenge. You have the most candy in the world.
What do you have? Warhead or toxic waste?
Survivors ready. Go!
I almost choked on it.
Alyssa's out of the competition.
What, I am?
Chris is having some struggles over there. David's still going strong. Come on, Chris, you
You
can
guys
do
are
this.
braver than me.
Alyssa, don't let these boys beat you.
You're done? Chris is done. Alyssa, yeah, I think Alyssa's got this. She loves sour stuff. No, Chris doesn't win. He's out.
I thought he swallowed.
Mine isn't even sour anymore. It's really good.
Same.
Oh, okay, so you guys tied for winners. Good job.
It almost went down my throat. So we just tried some super sour candy. It's still in my mouth, but it was a warhead. It was crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna get some more of these and some of these because they're so good
Yummy,
and they're pretty
yummy.
sour.
She loves sour stuff.
Yes. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed my video today. Make sure to leave me a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Here's everything I got at the candy store today. As you can see, it's mostly sour, and I also got this cute little fox.